Hello guys, how are you? I believe everything is going fine. As you know, this is our cash program regarding the cryptocurrency. So, especially for the beginners and also for the professionals. So, I always suggest the newcomers on this platform that they should go back and visit my previous videos where I discuss everything regarding the cryptocurrency, the basics of cryptocurrency, mean what is cryptocurrency and how it works and what kind of technology used behind the cryptocurrency. So how they can start their trading in cryptocurrency. So that's why it's important they should go back and visit my previous videos. So I always request you guys, please subscribe, like, and check bell icon so to promote this channel. So please do it. Today our topic is very important. Here we will discuss what is blockchain technology. So, as you know, I always try, and my team is always try to get the best information regarding the cryptocurrency and update information regarding the cryptocurrency, so you can update yourself after watching this video. So, guys, let's see, and we will go to the Google Uncle. What Google Uncle is saying here. I already in Google Uncle. I already tell them. Look, I already write down here in Google search bar what is blockchain. So here is what is blockchain. Just open this link, and when you open this link, so Google is saying here, as you know, blockchain technology actually is a decentralized technology. Decentralized, digitized ledgers. So let me explain in my words what is blockchain technology and how it works. So, blockchain technology is very simple. In uh, very initial era of the technology, when the Microsoft just launched, I mean, I give you the example. If two students are working any project like student A and student B working on a any project and making some word file. So if the student A do some research and update their word file, after update the word file, he share that particular word file with the student B. Then student B update their research in the word file, and then again share with the share B. So it's not the simultaneously working. So mean here is one after the other. This nature of the technology is one after the other. Mean the first man update his record, then he share with the other person, then he update the record and share the first one. So it's not the simultaneously working. It's the nature of this is not the simultaneously network. So in after that there is need to do some work for the speedy for the speed of the works. Do what they do in after that they introduce a technology, centralized nature of network. So in where a work can do simultaneously. If student A working and then student B working on the same project, when student A update anything, the same time student B can update the same file, and they can see each other that A is updating something and A also see B is updating something. This is called simultaneously working, simultaneously nature of work. So But here is the centralized nature of work. I mean, centralized, if a server and having a 4 to 5 nature of 4 to 5 computer linked with centralized server. If centralized server is shut down, it means the other nodes, the other computer will not share anything with each other. So it's again, this is the simultaneously work, but it's not secure. But in blockchain, what happened in blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is if a network having a 5 to 6 nodes, 5 to 6 computers, so every computer have his own local copy. Whenever a one node update anything in his local copy, in his local hardware and local hard disk, that update will also be update on the other five, on the other nodes of the networks. So it's a decentralized, but every local copy of the each computer of the network will update simultaneously, but it's a decentralized. If something's happen with the network, but they have the update information in his local copy, because they already sharing with each other simultaneously. This is the blockchain technology. So guys, I try my best to give you the good knowledge regarding the blockchain technology. So for today, this is all for regarding the blockchain technology. In next video, we will discuss about another thing again regarding the blockchain technology. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day and see you next time in next video. Thank you.